What makes your air conditioner consume so much electricity? AC units use excessive electricity primarily due to dirty air filters restricting airflow, improper installation in direct sunlight, too low temperature settings, and leaky, unsealed rooms. To reduce consumption, clean filters every 2 to 4 weeks, maintain a 24–26 degrees Celsius setting, use timers, sleep mode, and seal all air gaps. Why your AC uses too much electricity. Dirty air filters. Clogged filters force the system to work harder, decreasing efficiency by up to 15%. Improper placement. Units in direct sunlight or in areas with poor ventilation, like near plants, struggle to cool, consuming more power. Too low temperature. Setting the AC below 24 degrees Celsius causes the compressor to run constantly, increasing energy usage significantly. Air leaks. Open doors, windows, or gaps under doors allow cool air to escape and hot air to enter. Lack of maintenance. Neglecting annual servicing leads to low gas levels and dirty coils, causing high energy consumption. Power-saving tips. Maintain filters and coils. Clean air filters every 15 to 30 days and ensure the outdoor unit is free of dust and debris. Optimal temperature setting. Set your thermostat to 24–26 degrees Celsius. For every degree you raise it, you save roughly 3% on your bill. Use sleep timer functions. Set the AC to turn off automatically in the early morning hours, as the body needs less cooling at night. Seal the room. Close all doors, windows, and curtains, especially during the day, to keep the room insulated. Use fans. Running a ceiling fan with the AC allows for higher temperature settings while maintaining comfort. Professional servicing. Schedule annual maintenance to check for refrigerant levels and proper electrical connections.